Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be taking a look at MMAT or metamaterials, okay? Metamaterials, okay? So, as you can see, metamaterials yesterday was approximately 16.32% to the upside, or just 47 cents. Basically, a beautiful, beautiful play from MMAT. I don't know if I said Excel, but it is MMAT, of course. The volume was pretty good. It was 18 million. The daily average was like right around 12 million. It was 11.99, but we managed to hit 18.73 million. Everything was good. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about just the rights about why. Now, I will not encourage you to buy MMAT or something like that. I will not be forcing you, but just simple things about like to know what you're buying and all the other good stuff. Okay, something kind of connected with MMAT. Can we actually hit 950? It's like in the short term or something like that. But okay, so first of all, let's just start out with the words. Okay, the it is always the first rule of investing. Okay, so about MMAT, it is in no debt. It has uh it does not have 150 million dollars cash right now because okay, they're sitting on less cash after the nanotech acquisition. Yes, they do, but nanotech brings its profit into the fold too. Okay, so like the property slash equipment, the property assets with scalability, the strong leadership team with skin in the game, good short-term viable product directions, and massive upside tackling new and high growth markets with a lasting competitive edge. Okay, also high retail interest in the stock, a long-term net positive and overall strong benefit for society if successful. That's all. Like everything that I mentioned, just right. Oh my God! Right here is about MMAT. So everything is kind of positive. I mean, of course, it has some like downside move because it is down at the moment, but okay. So this is how you invest with confidence, my friends. Okay, the short-term downside means nothing because the company is not bankrupt able at this point. This is a hyper growth play. Average down if you can. You know how a lot of the people did get in after the mergers because they were expecting kind of a short squeeze or something like that. Okay, these are the people that absolutely did manage to eat and get out. And as I said, we did manage to hold this 280 support. Why? Because as you can see, 280 support was hold from back in 19th of January. Okay, so we didn't like we have not seen any kind of a downside move expect from 19th of January, except these two like pullbacks, and we did manage to kind of retest. Okay, this was a retest, this was a retest. Everything like for example, this was just with a week out. Okay, so this was a pretty good support area. We did manage to kind of go to 281 right here. The low is 280. Yeah, actually 280. It's not 281. And as you can see, we did manage to right now push to the upside. And this is how my prediction looks like. Okay, if you put it to pink right here and kind of visual to bring it to forward, bring to front. Okay, as you can see, this prediction was kind of right. Okay, we didn't manage to kind of we did not manage to push to the downside, but we didn't manage to push to the upside as predicted. Okay, and right here, a lot of people are right now writing that they're kind of going to be selling. Okay, because as you see, we have a lot of volatility going on at this point of level. I don't know why, plus but we're not those people, right? We're not those people. Also, we have a lot of volatility going on right here and here. Okay, this is why I have this VPR or VPVR or volume range. That's why I have that. And when it dips, I buy more. As simple as that. When it dips, I buy more, and I just hold my position. Okay, and Nanotech was like $60 million. Okay, uh, $60 million or something in, of course, in USD. They also bring a the contract with a roughly $30 million left on it, even if not like renewed as far as they read. Okay, so you're looking at only net loss of around $30 million over the time, which is a pretty good thing. Like when I mentioned that, yeah, they of course after the nanotech acquisition, but they lost like right around only 30 million, which is not a big buck for MMAT. I mean, it is okay, but okay. So there was, I think that I read somewhere about the G10 bank contract nanotech coming as well. I don't know if they're going to caring to expand that or something like that, but it's fair premium. Okay, I'd argue a net play for the sake of the devil's like advocate. Okay, only a loss if you sell now. Okay, so stated perfectly, and this is the way. As I said, you just know what you're buying, and of course, I mean this is not for I mean short term, but we can just kind of take it as a short term because we have been kind of falling to the downside for I mean, I can say for quite a while, for like 2 months or so, and that does not have to mean that, and that does not have to do with anything about the overall the company, because as he read, it has a pretty beautiful, it has no debt, has like, let's just say 120 million cash right now. Then Neotech is bringing his money, okay, too. They have property equipment, they have property assets with a scalability, they have strong leadership team with skin in the game, and they have good short-term viable product like directions and massive upside tackling new and high growth markets with lasting competitive edge and all the other good stuff. I mean, do not forget on that. Also, like what I wanted to say is that we may be hitting 950 somewhere or sometimes in the future, okay, because this is where nine yeah, actually we can also go to the weekly chart right here too if you want to look at that. Okay, so we could be yeah, we could be looking at the chart to be hitting like right around 960, 950 right here, about these areas right here, after this high. But that for example, along with this, that does not have to mean shit on the chart right now. Okay, this is kind of a threshold if you want to reach that or not. Right now, like what are we looking at the chart? It is like it does some like at some point it does mean something, but this is being manipulated a lot, so we'll not be taking a huge look at the technical analysis at the moment, even though I have always some kind of a technical analysis on my chart. Okay, I can just say that this is being manipulated a lot, and like 7 times out of 10 I think that you are going to be kind of wrong about your prediction. I mean, it's all I don't know. Okay, I would just shut up. I would just shut up about that kind of a area of talking, and then just continue with the video. Okay, a lot of people just found like MMAT. They were looking for stocks, and a lot of the people are right now gonna be buying. Okay, and if you're looking for a confirmation bias, this is the place. Okay, well, the long term meta looks to be very solid investment, and short term, well, like we have been like for a short term we have been like being hammered. Okay, to be honest, we have been hammered, and for the people who just found MMAT, just found it, okay, bro, this is a blessing. I don't know how to explain it to you. Like as you can see, we have a three bottoms right here. One, two, three touches at the bottom. I will not kind of brag because they say this is the bottom, but yeah, we are really low. There are some people that are down 50, 60. Some people are down 90% right now. I mean, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can take a look at this when one person bought it at $21 and always he kind of commented on my videos about how this is a shitty stock or something like that. He's only him is down like 85% or something like that. Okay, but yeah, do not forget to average down. Oh my god, excuse me about the yawn, but do not forget to average down. Buy as much as you can, and it is always up to you if you manage to play your cards right or something like that. But yeah, always take profit on the way up, and peace out, and have a great day for the rest of your day.